Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. This is Muhammad Tariq, and you are watching my YouTube channel MDK Journey. And today we are going to discuss about microscope, and as well as at the last we will be discuss 5 MCQs related to this topic and related to MDK test. Okay, so come to topic. Microscope is a combination of two Greek words. What? Greek words. Micro mean small and scope mean to see. So the instrument that is used to see a very small object is known as microscope. A very small object means those organisms that cannot be seen with naked eye. For example, virus, bacteria, some fungi that we cannot be able to see in our naked eye. Number second, there are many types of microscope, but here we will only discuss two. Number one is compound microscope. Number two, sample microscope. Those microscopes which have only one lens is known as simple microscope, and those microscopes which have two lenses or more than two, one is objective, one is a high power objective lens and second one is low. So compound microscope mostly we use for very small object, and simple microscope we mostly use for checking the blood of someone, for different functions that is related with hospital, that is related with patients. But compound microscope we use in biology. Okay, so now we come to the structure of microscope that I draw here. Number one, there is eyepiece through which we see the object. The second one is rough adjacent through which we upward and downward. The stage is going upward and downward with the help of rough adjacent. There is body tube, point adjacent, high power objective, and there is low power objective. If we see the object that is very small, so we will be see under the high power objective, and the object that is a little big as compared to virus and very small organisms. So we will see on low power objective lens. There is a clip helps us to maintain the place of stage, and that helps us to make the stage on its own place. And there is condenser, there is arms, there is mirror helps us to reflect the light on specimen, and there is a base. So now we come to discuss the 5 MCQs related to. Okay, so come to discuss MCQs number 1. The magnification power of light microscope is. So what is magnification? First of all, we will going to discuss magnification. Magnification means the ability of microscope. Okay, no need to write because it's easy and also present in book. The ability of microscope to increase the apparent size of object. Apparent size mean the outer structure of any organism, maybe virus, bacteria, but mostly a microorganism. So the outer structure, when increase their outer structure size, that is known as magnification power. So the magnification power of light microscope, according to class 11th biology, there is 250 nanometer. Nanometer is a very small unit. So 250 nanometer as a magnification power of light microscope. So now come to MCQs number 6. Okay, so MCQs number 2 is the resolution power of light microscope. Okay, sorry, compound. The resolution power of compound microscope is how many times is greater than human eye. So according to, okay, first of all we'll discuss what is a resolution for. Resolution means the ability of microscope to show two objects separately. For example, there is two microscopes, and I see that both microscopes under the one lens. Okay, so the power of microscope to I see these two objects separately from each other. How much time? How many time I see that two objects separately from each other? How many time from human eye? So according to class 11 book, there is 400 time. Okay. So MCQs number third. Okay. So MCQs number third. Microscope is a combination of how many words? It is a simply MCQs, and that is very easy for the student who read in class 11. So that is easy that the microscope is a combination of two words. Okay, so come to MCQs number 4. Now let's come to MCQs number 4. The first microscope was discovered by, so it's simply, we already learned in class 9th that the first microscope was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, as well as with the discovery of cell. So MCQ number 4, the correct option is Robert Hooke. Now come to MCQs number 5. So MCQs number 5, why light microscope is called light microscope? Why light microscope is called light microscope? So student, that answer you all will give in comment section. Okay, in comment section. There is a very much big logic and that word that why the light microscope is called light microscope. So okay students, subscribe my channel, and inshallah in the next video we will discuss about type of microscope. Wassalam.